Elon Musk just dropped some major updates on all three Tesla models that will be coming our way in 2025. Yup, you heard that right, 3. We're talking game-changing stuff here, folks. From an affordable compact car to a mind-blowing Cybercab, Tesla is about to shake up the EV world like never before. But wait, there's more. What if I told you Tesla's got a secret weapon that could change the very way we think about transportation? We will talk all about it in this video, so make sure you stay tuned till the end. Now, we know what you're thinking. Another Tesla promise? Will it actually happen? Well, stick around because we're diving deep into what we know so far, the potential impact on the industry, and why these new models could be Tesla's biggest move yet. Trust us, you won't want to miss this. Alright, let's kick things off with what might be the most important car Tesla's ever dreamed up, the Model 2. Okay, that's not the official name, but it's what everyone's calling it, so let's roll with it. This electric car is set to start around $25,000. Yes, you heard that right, 25 grand for a Tesla. From what we know, Model 2 is gonna be like a hatchback. It'll probably have that sleek Tesla look we all know about, but will be city-friendly. It's perfect for those tiny parking spots. But here's where it gets really cool. Tesla isn't just putting their logo in a glorified way. Nope, they're bringing in new production methods to keep all the costs down. Now, we've heard some rumors that are going on in those Tesla factories. We're talking about new manufacturing techniques that could change the entire industry, battery energizer, and assembly lines. Now, why should you care about all these factory rumors? Well, my friend, it means Tesla might just pull off the impossible, making electric cars as cheap as regular ones. This isn't just about a new car, it's about changing the game entirely. This isn't a typical entry-level car. It's a Tesla, which means it comes with advanced features. You can expect a large touchscreen display, over-the-air software updates that add new functionality automatically, and some version of autopilot to assist with driving tasks. Now, while we don't have official numbers yet, it is suggested that the Model 2 could go about 250 miles on a single charge. Not only that, but the Model 2 could be a game changer for batteries too. Imagine a car that's perfect for urban life, small enough to park anywhere, but with enough range that you only need to charge once a week or so. But don't think for a second that practical means boring. This is still a Tesla, people. So when can we get our hands on one of these? Well, Tesla's being very secretive about it, but the rumors say it will come around late 2025. Hey, if you liked the video so far, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And let us know in the comments on what your thoughts are about the new 2025 Tesla models. Alright, all you speed freaks and tech geeks, hold on to your hats because we're about to talk about a car that'll make your head spin. The third new model Tesla's bringing to the party is none other than the next generation Roadster. Folks, this isn't just a car, it's a four-wheeled missile that just happens to be street legal. Remember the original Roadster? The one that made people realize electric cars could be cool? Well, this new version is here to remind everyone that Tesla doesn't just make cars, they make jaws drop. We're talking about a car that could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds. Yes, 1.9 seconds. But wait, Elon Musk has been hinting that this thing might be able to hover. Yeah, you heard me right. Now, will we actually see a flying Tesla in 2025? With Tesla, you never know. Now, let's talk about what we're more likely to see. For starters, this thing is gonna have some serious range. Tesla's aiming for 620 miles on a single charge. And it's not just about going far, it's about going fast for a long time. They're saying this could top out at over 250 miles per hour. That's faster than some planes take off. Now, this Roadster is rumored to have not one, not two, but 3 electric motors, one for each rear wheel and one up front. But it's not just about raw power. This setup lets the car control exactly how much oomph goes to each wheel. This Roadster is gonna be a looker too. Expect a design so sleek it makes other supercars look like they're standing still. And the inside, probably minimalistic chic, with a big screen on the dashboard. Now, let's talk about batteries for a sec. The Roadster is gonna be packing Tesla's latest and greatest. We're talking batteries that make the Energizer Bunny look lazy. More power, faster charging, and long-lasting. But here's the really cool part. All this insane tech isn't just for showing off. The crazy stuff they figure out for the Roadster could end up making your future Model 3 or Y even more awesome. In a way, the new Roadster is Tesla's most iconic car. Now, all of this isn't gonna come cheap. We don't have official pricing yet, but it is said to be very expensive. But for those lucky few who can buy it, they're not just buying a car, they're buying a piece of history. Let's now stand back and examine the wider picture. For what reason is Tesla discontinuing these three vastly dissimilar models at roughly the same time? All of it, though, is a part of Musk's grand scheme. You see, Tesla wants to make electric cars more accessible to the general public with the Model 2. This may be the vehicle that ultimately tips the scales in favor of electric vehicles, turning them from the exception to the rule. Conversely, Tesla's wager on the direction of transportation in the future is the Cybercab. These days, the focus is on offering mobility as a service rather than just automobiles. What about the Roadster? That's Tesla flexing its muscles and proving to the world that electric cars are capable of being incredibly quick. It's a halo car designed to capture imaginations and push the boundaries of what's possible with electric powertrains. But here's where it gets really interesting. All these new models aren't just isolated products, they're part of a bigger ecosystem that Tesla's building. But wait, there's more! Tesla just unveiled a game changer that nobody saw coming: the Cybercab. Tesla was working on a self-driving car that can carry people on its own. It is comparable to ride-hailing services, minus the driver. This car was unveiled by Tesla on October 10th, 2024. This date is important because it signals a big development in the field of transportation technology. The Cybercab can be called in using a smartphone app, and it will show up at your place without a driver. The car will have a large amount of processing power, sophisticated artificial intelligence, and many sensors. Thanks to these technologies, the car can now see the entire environment, foresee possible outcomes, and in many cases react faster than a human driver. The Cybercab could have an impact that goes beyond personal transportation. It might drastically change transportation infrastructure and urban environments. This shift could lead to reduced need for parking spaces, potentially alleviating traffic congestion, and allowing for more efficient use of urban space. Cities could potentially repurpose areas currently dedicated to parking, creating more green spaces, pedestrian areas, or bike lanes. The environmental impact could also be significant, as a fleet of electric Cybercabs could contribute to reduced emissions compared to the current transportation models. The Tesla Cybercab represents a bold vision for the future of transportation. Elon Musk and Tesla are positioning this technology as a transformative advancement. Although the Tesla Cybercab holds great promise for the future of transportation technology, it is unclear how much of an influence it will have and when it will be widely used. It's a part of a larger movement in the direction of electrification and autonomy in vehicles, which is probably going to change the way we interact with transportation in the next several years. This fully autonomous Cybercab is set to redefine urban transportation. No steering wheel, no pedals, just pure AI-driven mobility. With its futuristic design, wireless charging, and an expected price under $30,000, the Cybercab could make ride-hailing cheaper than public transit. Instead of traditional headlights, the Cybercab is equipped with projectors. These could potentially be used to communicate with pedestrians or other vehicles, enhancing safety in autonomous driving scenarios. The Cybercab relies solely on cameras and advanced AI for its full self-driving capabilities. Tesla has opted not to use expensive equipment like radar or LiDAR, a bold move that could significantly reduce production costs. Tesla also plans to launch a ride-sharing app where both the company and individual Cybercab owners can offer robotaxi services. This could create a new income stream for Tesla owners. So there you have it, folks. Tesla's 3 mind-blowing cars for 2025. An affordable compact for the masses, a self-driving taxi for the future. So which of these revolutionary vehicles are you most excited about? The affordable Model 2, the lightning-fast Roadster, or the autonomous Cybercab? Let us know in the comments below. We're dying to hear your thoughts. And hey, if you enjoyed this electric joyride through Tesla's future, why not give us a like and subscribe? We've got more exciting Tesla news coming your way. Oh, and before you go, check out our video on the real reason why James May finally drives the Tesla Cybertruck. And with that, we're out. But don't worry, we'll be back with more Tesla. Until next time, keep your batteries charged and your dreams electric.